One day, Peppy Poms and Jelly Wiggle Jiggle were invited to the Princess Twilight Sparkle My Little Pony Palace. "Wake up, Jelly, it's time to go," said Peppy. "Oh boy," said Jelly, and they both started getting ready. They then went outside and boarded the Lalaloopsy train. They got off and greeted their hosts. "Hello and welcome to our palace," said Princess Twilight Sparkle. "Jump on our backs and we can go down the slide," said Shining Armour. So they did. Peppy and Pinkie Pie went first. Jelly and Shining Armour then followed. The ponies then showed them the swing. Whilst on the swing, Pinkie Pie had made them all carrot cakes. They were eaten very quickly. "Thank you for everything, but I think it's time to go," said Peppy. So they said goodbye and hopped back onto their train. It had been a brilliant day. Thanks for watching our video. To see more, please click on any of these clips, and if you haven't already subscribed, go on, do so now, and don't forget to give us a like. See you soon!